As many of you know, HubSpot is a great CRM tool to nurture your leads and manage your contacts. But when it comes to email marketing, MailerLite has earned its reputation of being more user-friendly and versatile. But what if I tell you that you can integrate these two great tools to level up your email marketing? Yes, guys, this is possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. You can easily integrate HubSpot with MailerLite in such a way that whenever you add a contact in HubSpot, the same contact will be added as a subscriber in MailerLite automatically, saving your time and manual efforts. And the best part is you can set up this whole automation without any coding super easily. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the landing page of our automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. You can reach here from the link given in the description, and from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So guys, sign up right now from the given link and then sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, I have given this name here. Now let me click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up. Alright, and on this page guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, that is the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the action is the automated response of the trigger. So guys, you can have many actions, automated actions for a particular trigger. In our use case guys, we are adding contacts in HubSpot that is going to trigger this workflow, and the automated action would be to add the same contact as a subscriber in MailerLite. Okay, so when you click here on the trigger window, it will ask you to choose the trigger application. So in our use case, the trigger application is HubSpot CRM. So search for it and select it. And then select the trigger event as new contact added. Okay, then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with HubSpot CRM. So it will bring you to the login window of HubSpot if you are not logged in, but I have already logged in here. So it is just asking me to select my account's name and then click on choose account. And you can see the authorization will be successful and will be connected, right? So we are now connected, and here it started asking you to select the output properties. That means the data that you want to fetch about the contact from HubSpot to here in this trigger window. Okay, so guys, first of all, let me create a new contact in HubSpot. So guys, this is my HubSpot CRM, and here I am creating this contact. I have filled in the details. You can see the first name of the contact is demo, last name is test, and these are all the dummy details I am filling here. Okay, just to set up this automation, we are using some dummy details. Okay, and here I am clicking on create button. All right, and you can see a new contact is getting added here. Okay, so a new contact is created in HubSpot CRM. Now guys, here I am going to select the output properties. So I want the name of the contact, so I'm going to select first name label, first name here. Here is first name property. Similarly, I'm going to choose last name. Okay, then you can choose mobile number or phone number. Then you can choose the country or city, country or region. Okay, and finally the email address. Okay, so I'm selecting email, right? So these are the things I want to fetch about any new contact. Now let me click on save and send test request button, and the last contact that we have just added will be fetched here. Okay, according to the output properties. Here you can see guys, we have received the response, and here it is showing the phone number, the last name, and the date, modification date, the ID, the first name, the email address, the country. Okay, so these are the output properties we have selected, and all the things are fetched here. Okay, now guys, with the help of this test data, we are going to create a test to subscriber in MailerLite. So in this action window, search for MailerLite. Okay, MailerLite, this one, new one, and select the action event as create or update subscriber. Then click on connect. From here select add new connection, and here it is asking to enter the API token key of MailerLite account. So guys, from here you can reach the accounts page, or let me show you directly from MailerLite application. This is my MailerLite application's dashboard. Okay, I'm under subscriber section. On the left hand side panel you can see this integrations tab. Click on integrations, and under the integrations page you will find this MailerLite API option. Click on use, and here you can generate a new token by clicking on this generate new token button. Here you can give any name to this token like this, and then check this box and then click on generate token, and your API key will be generated like this. You can just copy it, paste it here, and then click on save, and you will be connected with MailerLite. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it is asking you to select any existing subscriber's email ID if you want to update. But right now I want to create a new subscriber. So just toggle this map button to on here. Okay, then erase this help text. And here in this field, I am going to map the data I got from the trigger. Okay, so I'm going to use this test data I have received here, and I'm going to map these labels in these fields here in this action window. So first of all, click on this subscriber email field, and the previous step, the trigger is appear here in the drop down like this, and when you click on it, you will find all the data right here. So from here, map this email label to map the email. Okay, then select the status of the subscriber as active or unsubscribed or confirmed. So I'm selecting active. Here you can enter the ID of, you can select the group in which you want to add the subscriber. So guys, I have groups here in MailerLite. Let me show you. I'm under the subscriber section. You can see we have groups here. Okay, so we have 3 groups. So I'm selecting this one, product deals. Okay, product deals group. Here it is asking for the name, last name, and all these things. So I'm going to use the test data I have received here. Okay, so with the help of this data, I'm going to fill all these things. So just click on these fields, and from the triggers step, just map the first name label, then similarly the last name, and if you have the company details. Okay, so we didn't fetch the company details, leave this blank. These are not compulsory fields, but whatever the things we have, I'm going to map it. Okay, so I have the country name, I have mapped it. Okay, so we didn't have the city details, leave it. Phone number, yes, we do have a phone number. Okay, so we are done mapping the required details. Now you can test your connection with MailerLite by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new subscriber will be added in this group. Let me show you the group. Alright, so right now it is showing 4 active subscribers. Let me click on save and send test request button here, and we'll see if the data changes. Okay, so this is the response we have received. Let us check here in MailerLite. I'm refreshing this page, and now you can see we got 5 subscribers, and one more is added here. Email address is this demo test, and when you open it, you can see the data here, right? Demo test India number. These are the same details I have mapped here, you can see. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So you have to set up this automation only once. You have to map the data only once. After that, it will run automatically whenever you are going to add a new contact in HubSpot. You will see the contact as a subscriber in MailerLite. And guys, I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.